Day 40 started a little tired. Thankfully, the sun wasn't going to be out all day, so I didn't have a whole lot of work to do. These leftovers were a lot better than they look. This is the most sunlight I have seen all day, but yet I'm still trying. 40 days of sunshine, and let's just see. Oh, yeah. Thing works so well that I have multi-course meal on a fully cloudy day. Oh my goodness. I mean, that's the best learning that I've had out of 40 days of sunshine. What's that learning? It's that you cannot give up on GoSun.
Forever.
One of the great advantages of being the CEO here at GoSun is that I get to eat everybody's leftovers. So if you've left something in our fridge for more than 3 or 5 days, I'm gonna take it and reheat it. What am I gonna have for lunch? Yours. Today was entirely cloudy, but I didn't give up. Oh no, the GoSun doesn't quit. So while it was cloudy, I still cooked some beautiful sausage on top of polenta and Peter's chipotle that he left in the fridge for 3 to 5 days, and some dessert, some cookies in the GoSun Go, all on a cloudy day. Wow. Yeah, and the other part of that is that if I'm eating your leftovers, it doesn't matter what's in the box, it's all fair game. In this case, the chipotle, sour cream, cheese, and lettuce, I haven't had a whole lot of that in the last 40 days, but you better believe it's fair game. So the last meal of 40 days of sunshine wasn't the most glorious thing, but the fact that it cooked on a rainy day in Ohio, nothing short of spectacular. I've had a ton of fun making these videos and documenting this adventure, and I want to give big thanks out to the GoSun team, to my parents, my family, and I want to give thanks to my neighbor Adrian Cooper, who I'm forever grateful for. Adrian was diagnosed with a pancreatic cancer just days before I started my 40-day adventure. She told me to get out there and show the world how to soul to cook. And now we're both able to rest. Adrian will be remembered, and I'd love to keep reminiscing about these last 40 days of sunshine.
Things begin, but forever never seems to be around when things end.